आप प्लीज अपना होमवर्क कीजिए।
I mean, are you all crazy? वो प्रेस करके सबकी मामले करते हैं।
स्टॉप स्टॉप स्टॉप।
रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं कर रहा ना?
हमने उसमें जो जंक है उसमें ये पढ़ा है, जिसका भावार्थ ये निकल रहा है कि शाहरुख ने कहा है कि 9/11 के बाद
नहीं, आपने वो आर्टिकल पढ़ा है स्पेसिफिकली?
जी
पढ़ा है आप?
जी।
उसमें ये लिखा है स्पेसिफिकली। मुझे लगता है आपको अपना होमवर्क पहले करना चाहिए। ऐसा उन्होंने ना तो कभी बोला है उस आर्टिकल में, और मैंने तो एटलीस्ट नहीं पढ़ा था जब मैंने पढ़ा। तो इससे पहले कि आप बात का बतंगड़ बनाएं ताकि लोग आपके चैनल पे या आपके चैनल्स पे टीआरपी ज्यादा दें, ताकि बिना अपना होमवर्क करे हुए, आई थिंक आपको न्यूज जो है असली देनी चाहिए और सच देनी चाहिए, बात का बढ़ावा नहीं बनाना चाहिए। कैन वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन?
पुलिस आ गई, बात पुलिस आ गई पीछे को पार कर अरे मोबाइल नहीं कोई आगे नहीं
He took one picture with the aliens. That was it. This is why I get irritated with you all. Where is he promoting? Has he come on any channel? Has he come on, given interviews on it? One picture, Bowman took a picture with the aliens. They all spread nonsense around. That is the problem.
नहीं, आप बताइए, ये जगह है क्या ये सवाल पूछने का? आप बताइए, सुनिए, don't act smart with me. Improper, you know. नहीं, मिलती नहीं है, but this is not. नहीं, that's not the point. The point is, when you are at a certain place, respect the occasion. This is not the. Don't make anything unnecessarily out of context. This is a different. I've come for my sister-in-law's function. Is this the question that you should be asking? No, this is very wrong.
Stop. When they are young, they like it.
Yeah,
What do they like?
When they're with boys, they enjoy it. And when they grow old, they're screaming.
You are being tortured by us. He has said when girls are young, they like it, and when they are older, then they scream and shout at us. I want to know what is this. So we are forcing you to be with us. I am sorry that you are so tortured. I think this is the reason we are having this discussion today. That it's as per convenience. How can you blame it? Okay, girls like it when they are young and they scream. I think that's ridiculous. I think that's very disrespectful to say to a girl. I think if there is sex or a kiss or a hug, there are two people there and not just the girl. राइट सर, बॉडीली एक्सप्लॉयटेशन जैसी सिर्फ एक चीज होती है, वो है रेप. अंडरस्टैंड?
बिकॉज तुम लोग कहीं भी दे देते हो एंड देन ये फैशन पुलिस लिखती है ऐसे, ये लोग कभी नहीं लिखते कि सेट्स पे थे और शूटिंग का ड्रेस पहना था, कभी नहीं होता. तो मैं दूंगी नहीं, सॉरी. गलत शलत लिखते हैं ऑलवेज. एक मिनट. दे क्लिक्ड मी, ऑल द प्रेस केम, दे क्लिक्ड मी. मुंबई put that photograph and said, God, how can she dress like this at an event? I mean, are you all crazy? I can't wear a ghagra choli which I'm shooting like a gaon wali, go to an event, dress like that. They said, what is wrong with her dressing sense? Is that on location? I was, yeah, on location. The full press was there, everyone was there. So now I've stopped. If I'm in a costume I'm not comfortable, I don't click. I will not click. Because it's become too much. Freedom of press करके सबकी मामले करते हैं ये लोग. रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं कर रहा ना।
मैंने एक बार भी नहीं कहा कि इंडिया रिग्रेसिव है, डिप्रेसिंग है। आप प्लीज अपना होमवर्क कीजिए। जो औरतों की स्थिति है आज हमारे देश में, वो रिग्रेसिव है, डिप्रेसिंग
It's
है।
been a huge controversy, Malika. So, you know, most
Do
of
your
the people
homework.
in this country
I
believe
don't
that you
care.
said that.
I don't care what people
Then you
believe.
should actually correct it if
You
you're
should
getting the
correct it
answer
as a
from the
woman.
horse's mouth.
As a woman, you have to correct it. It's your
You must watch
responsibility. But I'm not going to lie.
You say, yeah.
I am never going to lie. ये hypocrisy जो है ना हमारे समाज में, ये hypocrisy जिसका जो करते कुछ और हैं, दिखाते कुछ और हैं। तो आप मुझे ये कह रही हैं कि औरतों के साथ अपने समाज में ये अत्याचार हो रहा है, ये रेप्स हो रहे हैं, ये ऑनर किलिंग्स हो रही हैं औरतों के साथ, और कोई मुझसे सवाल पूछता है तो मैं ना बोलूं? मैं झूठ बोलूं?
not. Absolutely not.
तो आप मुझे क्या कह रही हैं? As a woman, I should lie about the state of women that's in our country? So I didn't lie. I said the truth. और प्लीज मैं आप सबसे पूछती हूँ, मैंने क्या गलत बोला अगर सच बोला तो? I really want to know from every woman here. मैंने क्या गलत बोला?
सामने या पीछे, मार तो पड़ेगी।
आप बाहर मिलिए मुझे।
चलो मैं नहीं देखो बात ही नहीं करनी है। आप बेहुदा और बेवकूफ आदमी हो। इससे बात ही नहीं, मुझे बात नहीं करनी। नो आई डोंट वांट टू। Shut up. What did you ask? What did you ask? No, that was very freaking stupid. You're asking him who he likes better than me? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
No, I'm not. But you are behaving in a wrong way.
No, this is a wrong question. It's a wrong question.
This is not the way to behave.
Shut up. This is not the kind of question you ask somebody.
No, you can't.
It's a very stupid question.
You can't behave like this. You can't behave like
Well,
this.
I am. Like you behave, I'm behaving.
No. I asked a decent
Shut up.
question.
That was not a decent question.
It was his
That was
choice.
it was an indecent question.
No. This is.
It is
you
not
can-
a decent
you can
question
say-
to
you
ask
can say
anyone.
No comment.
No, I'm talking to him.
No comment.
What is there to finish? This is a question to ask
Okay,
who you like.
Don't do it. Okay, come.
Shut up.